Sometimes you're already thinking about your next meal while doing something completely unrelated, and then your phone becomes the shortcut between a craving and an order, which is where the Jack in the Box app fits in, because it turns quick decisions into a smooth ordering flow. It's more than a menu on a screen, and as you move through it, you notice how deals, customization, and ordering are connected, so you're not jumping between steps. And that makes the whole experience feel lighter while you're still figuring out what you want. The home screen usually highlights featured items and limited time offers, and those connect directly to the menu categories. So when you tap burgers, tacos, or breakfast, you're already one step closer to checkout. Each item opens into a customization page, and that's where one choice leads into another, because you can adjust toppings, sides, or drinks without restarting your order. And while you're doing that, the app often suggests combos that can save a bit of money if you were planning a full meal anyway. That quiet linking of options is what makes the app feel convenient instead of complicated. Allowing location access can show nearby restaurants, and once your nearest location appears, you can browse the menu and add items to your cart. One thing people like is the rewards and offers section, because it gives you rotating deals and sometimes app-exclusive discounts, and those offers connect naturally with your orders, so you might open the app for one item but end up spotting a better value meal. There's also order history, which makes reordering easier, and that links back to convenience, since you don't have to rebuild the same meal every time. On the practical side, prices and deals can vary by location, so it helps to glance at the details, but the app keeps it clear enough that you rarely feel confused while ordering. After a while, it stops feeling like a separate app and more like part of how you order food, because your nearest store and favorite meals are already there, and you're moving from craving to checkout almost automatically, and then you're deciding between curly fries or a shake while the cart is already full. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.